In this video, we'll take a look at how you can use our social media and ads feature to create ad campaigns. You can access social media and ads using the menu on the left in your Simply Book Me account. Before we begin, please make sure you've connected the ad accounts that you would like to use. You can do this by scrolling to the bottom of the list on the left of the Analytics tab or by clicking the plus icon directly in the Ads tab. Let's start by creating a new campaign, adding a name and a target URL. This is where the people who click on the ad will be redirected to. Next, we can choose the platforms we want to run the ads on and the objectives for each one. For meta ads, choose traffic to guide people to the specified destination, choose engagement to find people who are likely to engage with your business online, choose leads to collect leads via messages, phone calls, or signups, or choose sales to find people likely to purchase your services. For Google Ads, choose display to show your ads on third-party sites using the Google Display Network, or choose search to create a campaign based on keywords searched by users. Below, you can select where your ads will be displayed. The next step is choosing the target locations for the campaign. Use the search bar to add locations and the axis to remove them. Next, we can specify the target demographics, gender, age, and language. We can optionally add audience and interests to further narrow who the ads will be shown to. Keywords are also optional and are generated automatically. You can add your own if you like. Now we can begin working on the design of the ad. Add a name and the name of your business. The website URL is again our target destination. You can also add a Google Ads title. Input a description and add your images and logo. You'll be able to see a preview on the right. Finally, we can move on to setting up the budget for our ad. Choose whether you want to specify the daily amount or the total for this ad's lifetime. Set up either an automatic or manual bid cap and specify the campaign duration. Fill out the payer and beneficiary information if you're using meta ads. You can check the summary of your campaign before creating it, or go back to any given step to edit it. Once you've created your campaign, it will be saved and sent to the respective ad platforms for approval. Lastly, you'll be able to track the performance of your keywords in the respective tab, or check out the Recommendations tab for suggestions on how you can optimize your ads. In order to see an overview of how your ads are performing, go to the Analytics tab and choose the relevant ad platform to view its stats. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing Simply Book Me.